how's it going? Welcome back to Trailer Trash Racing. We are in the living room today. We got challenged by Kevin Talbot to do an SMT10 freestyle, so that's what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be awesome. So I'm super pumped about this. I've been waiting a long time for something like this to happen. Here we are. So thank you, Kevin, for calling us out. We're certainly going to do our best to win this thing. Once this is, what is it, Saturday? I think his Saturday at 11 his time, which he's in England. So I don't know what time that is here. But this freestyle we posted on his post. So make sure you go check that out and vote for us if you think we should win. If not, then obviously be honest. Okay, so we get 2 minutes to do one freestyle. 2-minute freestyle, one hand of God. I think one, hopefully one. I've never done a 2-minute freestyle before, so this is gonna be interesting. All right, so we're gonna be running the Son of a Digger body, and we got the JCT tires. Yeah, we got a Traxxas Valenion system in there, 3S, and a Traxxas battery as well. So yeah, she's good to go, ready to fire up. So we'll see how we do here. All right, well, that's enough talking. Let's freestyle. You've got to be kidding me. All right, so I just am having some really serious issues here. Basically, I was warming up on the last course that I had, and my rear axle just started to kind of not want to move, move on its own, basically, without the front tires moving, which is bad because it's, they're locked front and back. So I'm just gonna freestyle with basically no rear wheel drive. So here we go. I don't know what those sparks are about, but all right, so so as you can see, our pinion has completely stripped, basically. So that's an issue. On top of not having rear wheel drive. I guess that's it. So, oh man, I'm like, look, I've had this truck for probably a year and a half now, and never once have I had these kind of issues. So this is severely frustrating, but you know, we gave it our all, and it is what it is, right? So, you know, hey, I hope you guys at least enjoyed the carnage, and we'll see you in the next video. Kevin, we're coming back for you one day. If we don't win this one, we're coming back. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.
What's up, guys? We're here in Indianapolis.
Yo. My gosh. Oh no.